Hey y'all, TikTok shop update. I feel like my ads are finally running its course for real this time. I did $30 yesterday and only at $16 today. So I did join Mama Melina's course or school community for a page audit. I'm like fourth to last, and there are like 15 people in front of me. So I think with Discord I have to join them for like a month. So I'm in that. Other than that, went through the course, but it's stuff I already know. Like I think I just need to get better. I need them to be like you need to do this instead. Like obviously I'm trying to do the hooks. I'm trying to do the things. Nothing's going viral. And I think I'm gonna join Dom's group too. I think I'm just gonna knock two out in this first month and get as much as I can from this because Dom has a script thingamabob where you can put script prompts into ChatGPT and get scripts reading for you. So that's kind of why I'm enjoying his. And then he also does audits, and maybe he does them, immediately. So I could get mine back, honestly, like immediately in a few days instead of the whole month. I want to leave. I don't like to join groups for more than a month. I think you can get all you need out of the group in a month, from in my perspective, unless you need the community. So I think I'm gonna buy Dom's group right now, and then for trading, I'm learning the strat, and there is a Discord I want to join for that. But I'm trying not to join Discord for trading because that's something you do need long term. And I'm watching videos right now on YouTube. So that's where I'm at. I have videos to record today. My drafts are empty. I had my sister's birthday weekend, if you saw on other social media platforms. So I've been posting my drafts, but I ran out. I ran out today. So I have to either post them today or when I record tomorrow, post them the same day. I like to be ahead. Always have one day's worth of drafts like this. So if I don't feel like doing it tomorrow or something happens tomorrow, they're there. So I think I'm about to record in a second. But yeah, nothing organic. I got a bunch of invites, but I still now I'm getting approved for samples that I want that are actually viral. So I don't want to lead into that. I did a few other brands and they ran ads on my videos and they just weren't converting. So I'm focusing on Gyneable, which is a product that is going viral for me or getting traction and sales. And they sent me two more scripts this weekend. They're also paying me per video lately, so I've been getting like $60 a week just from that. So if I could get more brands, maybe I'd just have to do the work and sit and email them all again like I did last time. But a lot of them were like, "No, we're not doing that. Um, we're not paying retainers. They're just doing ads on products that they want you to promote." Which obviously has made me all of my money on TikTok Shop, but I'm not seeing if I should keep doing that route or not. Like I want organic sales. I want organic. I want to scale to 10K months organically. It's good money, but also like I said, if I can get 5 brands like this, I don't know. Mama Melina, it's weird to say Mama Melina. Melina says she does focus on brands that have ad spend now. It's hard to get organic sales and views right now. But then there are other people who are doing it. So I don't know what to do. But I'm keep pushing. You gotta just keep pushing. You gotta keep pushing. And my mom was like, "Hey, you gotta make this on TikTok shop. You need to focus on that. Don't be trading no more." I'm like, "No, I have to keep trading. I've been trading for not a long time, but a long time that I can't. I gotta see it through." My fiance was saying, "You gotta see it through." But it is nice. So I am taking a week off from trading and just watching the charts. And it's just gonna be SPX zero, same day options. Just trying to figure out how to catch the big moves, or if I don't even have to catch big moves because the contracts will just move. That's what I have to figure out. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna join the course again. But I'll just buy Dom's course, Dom's Discord, either tonight or tomorrow, like after I record this video. And we're just gonna see how it goes. I just want to see. I just want some audits because I feel like I'm there. I feel like I'm right there. I feel like it's like one of the they're gonna tell me like you just need to switch this, and you'll start making more money. You just need to switch this one little thing, and you'll start making more money. Or you need these two little things, you're gonna be making money. That's why I feel like I'm right there. I do feel like I'm trying. I know the hook. I know the things. I know the body. I know the CTA. But I do feel like when I'm trying to make it, it's just not translating as well as I'm thinking it is in my head. Like it's hard for me to do these hooks to catch attention. Like sit the camera down or walk away or do my hair or eat something. It's just a lot for me. But I'm trying. And I'm copying viral videos too. I copy viral videos. I do my own video, and then I add like a ChatGPT Phil Felt Found in there half the time too. But people say copy viral videos is how it works, and I've been doing that, and it has not been working. So we're just gonna see. Obviously, not giving up. Obviously, I made the most money in the shortest amount of time with this business model compared to dropshipping. my clothing brand, trading. Still made in my first 2 months 2 grand. That's something I've never done in any other business model. So it's definitely something to do and stick with for sure. It's just one of those things like with ecom. It's not like trading where you see your progress immediately. You kind of just have to like put stuff out there and hope for the best and just keep getting better and not knowing how you're getting better without someone looking at your video and saying you need to get better. Versus trading, you know what you're doing and you know what you're doing wrong most of the time, hopefully, immediately. So you just have to like get over that hump. So that's where I'm at. Feel good and join the group. I might join all three, the trading group and these two groups, and really just lock in this month. I'm kind of back off social media besides the TikTok shop page. I got on social media for a little bit, for like a weekend. And one of my friends from high school, a guy in high school was like, yeah, I just flipped my account, 6 grand to 100 grand. But then he couldn't tell me his strategy. But that's the shit I'm talking about with options. So hopefully we lucky with options and TikTok shop. They both hit at the same time. Might swing trade options, so I really don't have to like sit on the chart every day. We'll see. And knocking out 5 to 10 videos a day. I've been doing 5 the last few days because my drafts. I haven't recorded videos since literally Friday. So before I couldn't do 10 a day. So we're gonna see, and I'm excited. I feel good. Hopefully, joining these groups, it's gonna skyrocket me to have a good June and July, and I can relax a little bit, and we can keep going crazy. So I'm not saying you need to join a group. I think I honestly don't need to. I think I could just keep thugging it out. But I do want to see if I can speed up my process. And this is a habit I'm bad at. I will spend money to see if I speed up my process. And half the time, not even half the time, like 75% of the time, they tell you stuff that you already know on YouTube and shit. And it's a waste of money. But since these two do page audits, full page audits, that's why I'm doing these two. That's why I don't think I'm going to do the traffic hackers. Um, However, if they give me a thing, like Melina's group wasn't a thing. I want a thing. If the course is like, your video start with this, you do this exact thing to the beginning of all your videos. Not like just like hooks. We know hooks, but like I feel like traffic hackers might have a thing where they're like, wow factor, put woman on screen. Like it tell you exactly what you should do. Like woman on screen, say, or like jump in the camera. Like I feel like he's gonna be specific in that group, but he might not. He might just say put a hook, put details, call to action. Like I don't want that. I want to be like, this is what I do for every video. I type this in ChatGPT. I say this in GPT chat. I say this in my video. I walk through this when I do. I want like that. I feel like Traffic Hackers has a formula like that where it's actually actionable step by step. Obviously, videos vary, but it will be like you need this first, and this is how you do it instead of just like hooks. Like that's all Melina's, no shade to her, says. Like you have hooks, you have this, you have this, 5 types of hooks, that versus like the winning video format. I don't know. But maybe that's not what the thing. Maybe you should have just, you know, thug it out. I don't know. So we're gonna see in these groups, and I'll let y'all know how the groups are. But as I said, I'm not telling you to join groups. I don't think you need to. Sometimes you might feel like you have to. I always think try a little bit first. Like some people think they need to join groups from the jump. I definitely disagree with that. I took 2 months. I've made money, but I want to see if I can. This group will help me scale higher. And I definitely think a page audit. I feel like I'm close to just one little tweak. I think that's why. I think it's like they're both gonna be like this little thing, fix it, boom, and then you know. So we shall see.